Hi, I'm Rajiv, a data analytics expert. It has been seen that most of you face challenges in installing and downloading Tableau Public. So today I will give you a complete instructions how to download and install Tableau Public very easily. So let me share my screen. Right, so I hope the screen is visible to you. So Tableau, as you must be aware that it is a very powerful data visualization tool which helps us to transform the data from the various sources to interactive dynamic visuals. It can connect to more than 50 data sources and connect more than 24 different type of visuals which can be enhanced further as per the requirement. Tableau has provided us various products which are Tableau Desktop, which is the commercial version of Tableau used in the industry. It's a paid tool. Then we have Tableau Public, which is being provided by Tableau for the learning purpose, as Tableau does not want to charge any amount from its students. Then we have Tableau Online, which is a cloud platform of Tableau, which is used to share the visualization with the respective audience. Then we have Tableau Server, which is same like online. The only difference is server works on the local environment, whereas online works on the cloud. Then you have Tableau Reader, which is used to read the Tableau workbooks. The extension of a Tableau workbook is TWB. Then we have Tableau Prep, which is used to transform, or in a simple word, you can say cleaning of the data, making the data ready for the visualization. So currently our focus is on Tableau Public, as we will be using this for the learning purpose. When it comes to the interface, it is 100% same like Tableau Desktop. The only one major difference between the desktop and the public is that you will not be able to save anything onto your local environment using Tableau Public. Okay, so here is the link to download Tableau Public. So you can just click on this link. It will take you to the download page, right? So this link has been provided in the comments of the video. And here you can see there is a button which says download Tableau Public. Depending on the network speed, it will not take much time to download. But before that, you have to provide some of your basic information like the name and all. So I'm just providing the information over here and simply say download the app. So the download is in progress. If it doesn't begin, then you need just click on this Windows. Yes, you can see over here the download is going on. Depending on the network speed, within 3 to 4 minutes max, it should be downloaded. So you can see over here that the download is completed. You can just click on this. Yeah, it is about to be, yes, it is done. You can say show in folder. It is, sorry, this is still going on. Right, so the file has been downloaded. You can click on this and here you can see it says shows in folder. Just click on this. Here you are getting the downloaded file, Tableau Public. Just double click on it. The wizard will start over here. It is asking us to accept the license agreement. Say accept and simply click on install. Don't need to click on this. Simply say install over here. You need to give the permission to allow the changes to your computer. Say yes. And the installation is in process. So within the few minutes, the installation will be done. The installation is going on. So you can see that the installation has been done and this is the first screen of Tableau Public installed. And if you want to, let me close this. So now whenever you wanted to install, run the Tableau Public, you can see on the desktop, you have an icon of the Tableau Public. You need to just click on this icon to get Tableau Desktop. Here it goes. Now you can proceed, you can connect to the data source and do the visualization, whatever you want. Okay. So I hope these instructions were helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.